Okay, you're going to have to forgive me. I do mind maps for absolutely everything. So I just want to give you the overview of how buying a solo ad works again, and then we'll get into the details of each component. One is you buy traffic, and your traffic source is absolutely critical. There are quality traffic sources, and there are mediocre traffic sources, and there are total scam traffic sources. We're going to talk about all three in another video, but what you want to do is buy traffic from one of your sources, and you're probably going to pay, let's say on average, about 50 cents a click. You send it to your landing page. I'll show you one in the next couple of videos. And from that landing page, you can either send them to an offer that you're giving them for free that you created, or most people just redirect people to a sales offer in the fantasy that they're going to make money off the thank you page. Now, about 1% of real traffic will actually buy from the thank you page. And it totally depends on how you set up your landing page. So I'm going to show you a landing page in the next video and a thank you page so that you can see how that works. Then what you want to do is you want to follow up with like a 45 to 90 day email sequence that promotes a number of different offers. And those offers are whatever you want to promote from whatever affiliate network you want to promote for them. You don't need to really do anything more but send traffic to your landing page, optimize it to convert well, hope you get a sale here, and you'll make your money there. Now, what's going to happen is a lot of guys are going to say, get paid to build your list because you make money on your thank you page. That's a lie. You never make money on your thank you page, but there are certain offers that you can use as an affiliate that are really good for thank you pages, because if they do buy, they have recurring sources of income that you get paid on every month, and you can make your money back. The commission code is a great one. Perpetual 365 is a great one. There's a few other out there. But the thing I want to tell you is this is the starting point. It's this follow-up email campaign that's important. Now, if you buy commission code or Perpetual 365 and use their system, all our follow-up emails are going to be promoting just that product. Yeah, that's okay. I mean, the problem is you have a list now, and you're paying to get that list, and you're probably, even though you're getting a few orders here, you're probably not going to make your money back from your list building. So you want to do some various different follow-up emails, what I would recommend, with different products, and you want to occasionally do a broadcast to that list to offer new things that come around. And this combination of these two things work best. Now, the fact is, if somebody's going to take your offer, they're going to look at it once, twice, maybe three times. They're going to open up the first few emails, look at the offer, and decide yes or no. And if you offer to them for another 30 days, it will not change their mind. So when you create a follow-up campaign, it's always best to have a variety of different things to show them. But like the commission code and Perpetual 365 and most business opportunities, all they promote is their offer themselves. Perpetual and the commission code have a 45-day email sequence they use to do that. And I find I get sales for the product, maybe 20 days from now or even 40 days from now. But usually people kind of tune out after the first time they look at a sales offer. And if you have multiple different offers in this follow-up campaign, you can more likely to find something the guy believes in. Now, a lot of the offers that are out there, like Bitcoin things or the pyramid schemes, if you can't really explain what the offer is, people aren't going to buy, or if they do buy, they're weak-minded, likely to refund. So it all depends on what you want to do. So what we do is we make our thank you page an affiliate product that has a high recurring offer that tends to stick, so you can make your money back there, hopefully. But we make our money in the follow-up campaign and broadcasting new offers. We'll show you these things in the next few videos.